You know how you keep setting that goal over and over and over for the next level of income or the next achievement, and somehow you're sabotaging yourself or you just feel kind of stuck? Well, listen, this is a conversation I had with Taki Moore from Million Dollar Coach about why 6, 7, and 8-figure coaches all deal with the same thing and how to fix it once and for all. Let's jump in.
The other day, we had a conversation with our clients about making their belts go up. And for those who don't know, that means make more money. And you said something interesting about a reason why the money doesn't go up.
And one of those reasons is sometimes we have money stories we tell ourselves. So I'm not materialistic, I'm not really a consumer, or the money doesn't really matter, right? So we either have another income or a spouse or a settlement or another job, whatever. So the money doesn't matter. So whose job is it to make the money matter? Do we wait until a medical condition or a cultural condition or a catastrophe or a pandemic makes the money matter?
Yeah.
Or do we decide how the money matters? So this is a little bit of a tongue twister. You might want to write it down. It doesn't matter if you make money or not until you make the money matter.
Yeah.
Okay? If you want to be more goal driven, if you want to belt up, if you want to do more, it's not about having more. It's about different choices and making that money matter. So it could be political advocacy.
Yep.
It could be health crisis. It could be adoptions and orphans and clean water wells and whatever that looks like. But how do you make your money matter?
Yeah. All we want to do is connect the goal that part of your brain wants, make more money, to something that all of you wants.
Yeah.
And for some of you guys, it could be, look after family. It could be take family on a trip. It could be dig a well, build an orphanage.
Yeah.
But you'll never make more money until you make your money matter.
Yeah. And so you either get to decide that or circumstances decide that. Taki and I both have circumstances in our family where we caretake adult children and also aging parents. And so that's an option for us because we've chosen to make our money matter in that way. So before you get to a situation where you're in crisis mode or GoFundMe page, make your money matter now so that the moving up isn't about selfish reasons. It's about things that matter.
Yeah. Can I just speak to the selfish people for a minute?
Yes, go ahead. Speak to them too.
Hey, selfish people. I love you to bits. Some of our clients are unapologetically happy with, I just want to make more money. That's completely fine.
That's
if
fine
you're
too.
If you're a car person or a boat person or a house person or a traveler, that's fine. So here's the big idea is you've got to find what drives you. And what drives you could be money, success, goal achievement, or it might be something not. And so frankly, in this video, we just want to help you trick yourself into caring about the money.
Yeah. Because I had a client that used to say, it's hard to help the poor when you are one of them.
Yeah.
So do more so you can enable other people to do more. Do good things with it. We want the good guys to win because often we'll do more for other people
100%.
than we will for ourselves.
Yeah, 100%. So your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to make the money matter. So you can make more money, so you can do stuff that matters.
Should they tell us why their money is going to start mattering?
100%.
Yeah, commit.
Tell us down below in the comments, why does your money matter? If you make more money, who do you help? I think one of the things that we figured out last year was sometimes the why is in the who. And so like who will you able to help if the money goes up? Let us know what your why is, who your who is in the comments down below. Lots of love. It's been fun.